Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be taking a look at this video right here. This showed up in my feed and it's titled Earn $5 every 30 seconds for free. Make Money Online 2024 from a creator, Dave Nick. Now, I don't really want intentionally trying to seek out and bash people or other creators. Obviously, Dave Nick he's approaching 1 million subscribers. When you look at the quality of his videos, they're on point. They've got a lot of video editing and the way he runs his business and so forth. This is up to him if he wants to publish content like this. But I just want to speak to you if you've landed on this video and you're looking for a way to make money online. We're going to go and dissect this. I've already watched the video and I can tell you right now that he's feeding you a bunch of crap, right? We're going to dissect this. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to tell you how he actually is making money online and how he's putting out these videos that's capturing an interest and an audience of people that are very new and green and rookies, and they're newbies at making money online. They're probably not even making $1 per month. They've never even made $1 online. And if that's, you want to stick with me on this video because we're going to be diving into this, right? Now, I've been working full-time for 4 years. I left my day job and in the middle of the pandemic, and I was able to make YouTube my full-time job. I believe that I do it in a little bit more of an ethical way than a channel like this, where they're taking you and they're trying to tell you that you can go to this site right over here, shrinkme.io. So we can come over here and look at this and open up this website over here, and we can go and take a look at it. And what they're going to do is basically you can put your URL in here, and they're going to tell you right here. So right off the bat, this is basically they're feeding you a bunch of bull as well, because you're not going to be able to make $220 for every 10,000 views. And the reason why is because that's only from one country, from Greenland, that will pay up to $22. If you got 10,000 views from one country, Greenland, then you would be able to maybe make that $220. It's not going to happen. The average for United States traffic and most of the countries is between $5 and $7. Now, we have to think about the realistic point of actually getting traffic to these links, right? If you could actually get 10,000 views, if you could literally get 1,000 views, 10,000 views, one of the biggest things about making money online is traffic, right? You have to get traffic in order to make sales, right? So traffic plus a conversion equals money in your pocket, sales, right? And so there's so many other ways that you could make money if you were actually going to put in the time. If you go back over here, and what they're teaching you to do is we can go and scroll through here and actually look at this video. And I'm just going to have this in the background for you. And we can watch it on fast mode, but essentially these payments right over here, you can actually go to the site, and a lot of them are from a year or two ago. Even the site itself is not really a trusted site. He is going to walk you through how you would set this up and everything. Now, I will give him a little bit of credit as far as he is telling you that making money online is not easy. It's not for everybody. You do need to put in hard work and blah, blah, blah. But basically, he's getting in front of the audience, right? He's getting in front of you, teaching you this way that is not going to, yeah, we put ChatGPT in here and so forth. But basically at the end of the day, if you actually went to this video and you are brand new, you never made money in online in your life, and you come over here to Dave Nick's channel, you watch this video and you get all pumped. You're like, cool, I'm going to go do this. I'm going to go use ChatGPT 3.5. It's free. I'm going to go build this Canvas free too. I can go build this guide right over here. And then we're going to go and hook this up. And then we're going to go and use Shrink Me. We're going to go out there and try to get traffic, and then we'll make some money that way and so forth. And then we can maybe make some affiliate sales by putting a link inside of this. But you know what? This is literally for new people that don't understand the concept of building a real online business. They will actually go out here and try this method right here, and then they'll go and waste time, and then they'll come back and say it doesn't work. And when you really scroll down here, you'll actually see, like right over here, this person can't even download with the Shrink Me. Right over here, like right over here, we've got just a waste of time. Now, these are going to be the real people that actually understand that this is actually a waste of time, right? F off, making money isn't easy. Hello, everyone. Hope you guys have had a nice day. I'm wondering if anyone had advice on how I could gain more traffic. So people are wondering how to get traffic to their business and so forth. But after you go through this whole step over here and you actually try to build a business around this or around this methodology, you're going to quickly realize that this is just a bunch of bull and that there's no way you're going to make money doing this. First of all, where are you going to get the traffic? Right? We need to get down to brass taxes. We need to get down to the first problem that you're going to have with a method like this is that you can't even get 1,000 visitors in your business. And if you could get 1,000 visitors in your business, don't you think you would want to get paid more than $5? It's about $5 to $7 for every 1,000 views, something like that. There's so many other things you can do to make more money than this method right over here, right? So I wanted to pick this apart and show you that. So there's just no way. Here's the fun part, right? So you come up here and you grab a calculator. And if we take $5 for every 30 seconds, we multiply $5 times 2, that's 60 seconds. 60 seconds is 1 minute, right? So you're at $10 every minute or every 60 seconds, okay? So $10 times how many minutes are in an hour? There's 60, right? So I'm going to go 60. So $10 for every minute, but there's 60 minutes in an hour, right? So now we can say equals, and what on the screen right here is 600 per hour that this guy's telling you that you would make. He literally put the title up over here, earn $5 every 30 seconds for free. So you don't have to invest in your business. You don't have to do anything other than go and try to spam your link out there and make a bunch of money, okay? We have $600 an hour, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and how many hours are there in a day? We're going to multiply that by 24 hours in a day. So now you're making $14,400 for going to this site over here and putting in any kind of URL here and then going out and finding traffic. And this is how much money a channel like this is telling you that you can actually make. It's pathetic, right? Because it's not true. It's not true. I've been working my butt off for 4 years in building YouTube channels and making a substantial money, making over 6 figures a year as well. But I'm not making let's get the calculator out. I'm not making 14,000 per day sending a link out to people that has no value, no offering, no nothing. So then now what you'll do is you'll take that and you'll multiply it by 30 days in the month. And what they're saying is that you're going to be able to make $432,000 in 1 month, because you're able to earn $5 every 30 seconds, right? It's just not true. It's a bunch of crap. When we come down here and look at what people are actually doing, they're getting in front of an audience that doesn't know how to make money online. And then they're actually showing you a method that's not going to help you make money online. But guess what? The real truth behind how this guy, Dave Nick, with his 888,000 subscribers on YouTube, the real truth is that he's making all of his money and his fortunes from YouTube, right? So I can teach you how to make money from YouTube. And I even have faceless YouTube channels that make over 6 figures per year that I do simple reviews on. I bring value to a niche and a community of people that want to see that kind of content. You can bring authenticity and honesty in a niche, and then you can also be rewarded and paid for that. And teaching people from an ethical standpoint, a professional standpoint, and how to build a real sustainable evergreen business is the way that I like to do things. And this kind of stuff is I just can't see how this could ever work for somebody. And it's just basically teaching you to waste your time, but keep coming back and watching this. Keep coming back and watching the content that is being created on these channels. I'm just using this guy as an example, but you already know you're in this niche. You probably watch a bunch of videos on Make Money Online. And really, how valuable are those videos to you with most of the creators that are telling you that click this button, do this, copy, paste, and you're going to make $1 million today, right? It doesn't work like that, and it doesn't happen. This guy is making a ton of money. If we actually even go and highlight just from his, what I like to do is I'll go over here and we'll open this up. We'll open up his channel, right? And you can see right over here with just basic stats that he's getting almost 1 million views per month. That's why he's making that video for you, so he can get in front of you, teach you this bad idea, and then maybe perhaps that doesn't work. So then you're going to come back and maybe buy one of his services or products that actually makes him real money, right? It's not the methods that he's teaching you. It's the methods that he has in his links in his description that he's actually making money from. So what do you want to learn from somebody that's going to give you at least some free information on YouTube on how to actually get started? And then you can make that decision at some point if you want to sign up to their service, to their coaching program, to their course, to their community, because they've already given you value. I just don't see where the value is. Lazy niche, $1,600 away, all these different things. Like you're going to just go and post a couple pins on Pinterest and you're going to start making $1,250 a day. Yeah, give me a freaking break. You're not going to be able to be making $1,000 a day from the get-go on Pinterest. I have people that have spent hundreds and thousands of dollars hiring Pinterest agencies, putting up pins. It took 3 years for them to actually start getting results, start making like $250 per month from their links back to their site, and then they sell a product and so forth. There's a lot that goes in the back end to actually make these methods actually work. If they're going to work, you're not going to just go and set up a Pinterest account and then start making thousands of dollars. It just doesn't work like that. So the sooner that you can realize this for yourself of what's really going on in the background is that this guy's getting 1 million views per month, and you're going up to his business, you're buying his products, but really, is he actually teaching you anything of value with these videos? I don't think so. And so if you really want to know like what you should be doing in order to start moving the needle in the right direction in your online business, is that you need to start turning off all the noise, the loud noise that's hitting you in your feed every single day, that's showing you all these methods, a brand new method every single day, a brand new method. This one makes $1,000. This one, you click a button. This one makes $1,000. Actually, you can choose from any of these push button, click button things that I've shown you in the last 10 videos. And the fact is that how many of those have you tried and how many have you actually gotten results from, right? You need to have a moment where you actually check yourself and you check what the value of content that you're actually watching and if those methods actually work, okay? We can also go over to Social Blade right over here, and we can go and put this in and see how much his channel actually is making. And you can see right over here that this is going to be about 4 times as much. So this guy's making over $10,000 easily on his channel, and it could be up to $15,000, $20,000. This right here, it definitely in the finance niche, make money online niche and so forth, it's going to be very much of a low estimate. It's definitely going to be way more because I have channels in this niche. And I can tell you even from this channel alone, it's usually 4 times more than what this is saying right here. So this guy's making $12,000 a month from putting out content, getting in front of you. And that doesn't even include, that does not even get close to including all of the businesses that he and links that he has and all of his videos right over here. So he's telling you can make $5 or you can make $400,000. You need to actually look at this and be realistic. He's telling you you can make $400,000 a month doing this, but really he wants you to join his community over here on School so that you can go and he can start selling things to you, and how he made like all these different businesses right over here. Really, I'm not trying to bash what he's doing. Like, cool, sell your products here. That's great. And that's what I teach you to do on YouTube as well. So I am a big believer in YouTube as a way to get free traffic to your business. But I'm not a very big fan of blowing smoke up people's butts, basically, and telling them that they can make $5 every 30 seconds. And I did the math for you. You'd be making $14,000 a day or over $430,000 per month. We know that this method does not work. And I actually went and did even more research. And I went to YouTube and I actually tried to type in this link thing, right? So this link, shrink me. And so you can come up here and you can say, shrink me, real or fake or payment proof. And I went and I tried to look, and these are all people that are going to just be making videos that are going to show you like the concept of what Dave Nick just showed you. But really, there's very few people actually getting out there and actually telling you that this is not a method. This is just a way for people to get views. But really, there's no proof of people actually going out and making even $50, $100. Even on their site and you log in, you'll see that people at most are making about $20 every time they get paid out. I can get paid $20 from one affiliate sale, easy, no problem. So I just wanted to make this kind of rant video. This showed up. I watched it just out of curiosity. I'm like, this is just crap. Can you guys leave, if you made it this far in the video, say, hey, I watched the whole thing. And can you tell me what you think or why you think people watch this video? Why you think people are rewarding this kind of content with almost 1 million subscribers? Has this content been that helpful? Do you think that this content is helpful to people? I don't understand why. Why are they getting 888,000 subscribers to this kind of content right here that is just crap? And then when you go and analyze the channel, this is the types of videos on a daily basis. These are the videos that are pumped out. Oh, I can make $32,000 right here on TikTok overnight, right? Boom. Like, it just doesn't work like that. I just want to show you that you can make money online. You absolutely can, but you're going to have to grind a little bit. You're going to have to show up on a daily basis and be consistent. You're going to have to get serious about a platform because you need real traffic. And then you need to be giving value out to people and helping people. Because if you help people, you get traffic and you actually are genuine, ethical, and help people, then the money will come after that. And it's a great thing that happens with those steps. When those come together, people will start knowing, liking, and trusting you. And that's when they will start buying your products or services. Okay. So thanks for tuning in. If you want to learn how I quit my job, and I've been doing full-time YouTube for the last 4 years, I have a free, 100% free webinar registration below. If you want to go and check it out, the link will be below. You can go check it out. No obligation, nothing like that. It's just free. You get to go learn a little bit more about my story, my journey, and how I actually make money online and using YouTube. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.